Hey! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the magic of Power BI by Microsoft. Whether you love data, run a business, or just want to turn numbers into gold, ready? Let's go! Basic concepts of Power BI, such as datasets, reports, dashboards, and the Power BI service. Power BI. Power BI is a Microsoft business intelligence tool designed to transform your raw data into meaningful insights. With its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities, it allows users to connect to diverse data sources, analyze and model data, and create interactive visualizations for informed decision-making. Datasets. A dataset is a collection of data that Power BI uses to create visualizations. It can include raw data, queries, and data model information. Reports. A report in Power BI is a collection of visualizations and insights created from one or more datasets. Dashboards. A dashboard is a single-page, interactive view that provides at-a-glance insights into data. It can contain visualizations from one or more reports. Power BI Service. Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform where users can publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free desktop application for authoring Power BI reports and dashboards. Q&A, question and answer. Q&A is a natural language query feature that allows users to ask questions about their data in plain language. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.